How to fix: you must connect to the internet to play FIFA Mobile. So if you are facing a problem with you must connect to the internet to play the FIFA Mobile, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to log in, or you won't be able to play your FIFA Mobile application. So check your internet connection. You can switch to your mobile data if you're using your Wi-Fi, or you can simply switch to your Wi-Fi if you're using your mobile data. Once you've done, you can also turn on and off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data to fix that problem. And after fixing that, or after doing that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, what you need to do is you need to go for the settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then go for see all apps, and go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then search for FIFA. And here you will have your mobile application. You need to simply tap on that FIFA and go for storage and cache. And once you're here on the storage and cache, you need to simply go for clear cache, and you need to clear all of your cache, which is on the right side. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem will be fixed, or you can simply uninstall the application and again install it, and then you can try to log into your account and your problem will be fixed. Or the last thing you can do is restart your device. You need to simply hold on to that power button, and here you will get the restart option. Simply go for restart and restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix you must connect to the internet to play the FIFA Mobile problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.